Welcome to Grab and Go Info. Tableau is a powerful visualization tool. This tutorial shows how to connect Tableau with Google Drive. Once connected, Tableau can read datasets from Google Drive directly. Step 1. Open Tableau. Go to Connect, then to a server. Select Google Drive. Step 2. Choose the Google Drive account where the data was saved. Step 3. Click Allow to trust Tableau. Step 4. Navigate to the folder where the dataset is saved, choose the data, and click Connect. Step 5. You will be able to see the dataset preview in Tableau now. If you prefer the written version of the tutorial, please check out my blog post. I will put the link in the video description. This is the blog post for this tutorial. It has all the screenshots and explanations in the video. To learn more about data science and machine learning, please subscribe to the channel and check out my YouTube playlist for visualization. Click the playlist on the screen now. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.